Welcome to EduHub. The Educational Hub is led by Dr. Mithilesh, founder and CEO of MIT Square, and Jayachandran of student at Sairam Engineering College, intern at MIT Square. This is an educational meetup application which is specifically designed to embrace Sairam students and give them a platform to interact with faculty members, alumni, and other disciplinary students such as engineering, medical, nursing, arts, etc. Also, family members of other students who are into different domain sectors like manufacturing sector, business, etc. With Digital India and Startup India initiative, this application is a boon for students, professors, as well as the management to interact with each other for an impactful collaboration. We see in the following. Meet new and interesting students in your college. Have a dedicated profile page for yourself to demonstrate your skills, projects, awards, and internship experience. Showcase during interviews. Work on innovative ideas. Turn your ideas, thoughts, prototype into products. Form a team here, message, and share various ideas related to studies, research, technologies, courses, projects, startups, etc. Attract incubators, participate in competitions, attend conferences, publish journals, file patents, etc. The alumni can be mentors for juniors. Get regular updates on seminars, webinars, programs, competitions, new courses, internship, job opportunities. Here, you can see the top courses and important information exclusively posted by the institution. Sign up here with your mail ID. Log in here. This is the home page where you get the post about the projects, courses, and articles published by the Sairamites. This portion is specifically designed for institution blogs. The application is a responsive one such that it is user-friendly when used on different types of screens like tablets, mobile phones, and computers. This page has infinite scroll function which makes it load faster. On clicking on any post, you can view the full content of the post and public code which is posted by the user. The public code can be improvised by the fellow students also. They can save the post for future use and interact with the creator of the project. They can suggest by using comments tab also. And this is the explore page where you find institution blogs, journals, video courses, as well as audio podcasts. They can search and find students who are working in the same project by this search icon. This is the profile tab where you can include your bio. Your feature certifications can be seen here. You can include your skills, awards, honors here. This page can accommodate n number of projects. You can also include your current project here. You can also find your teammate with the skill expected. It makes the visitors know about your current project results. The visitors of the page can also give feedback at your profile. You can also include your GitHub profile, LinkedIn profile, email ID, and also EduMed profile here. In case of any editing is needed, you can click on this tab. In this page, you can edit the contents of your profile. Yes, this web page houses several educational features that can transform students' life. This application is part of Made in India movement, designed and developed by MIT Square. Thank you for making this happen. Let's start our journey with EduHub.